Practical Magic 2 European premiere. How does it feel to be stepping into this magical world?
Oh my God, it's like, I mean, look at this. This is amazing. This is so overwhelming in the best way. I have so much gratitude for being asked to be in this film. I mean, Sandy and Nicole are just the blueprint, you know. I love them so much. I love Sally and Jillian so much. And being asked to be Kylie was, I mean, a dream come true, really.
Obviously, Sandra Bullock's right next to us right now. Oh! Try not to freak out.
Okay.
I mean...
You too. We'll just keep it together. We're going to keep it together.
What did they teach you, Sandy and Nicole, about being own sisters, and how exciting was it getting to share that experience with Maisie as well?
Oh my God, Maisie, my girl, I love her so much. I feel like Sandy and Nicole led by example with what it means to be an Owen sister in real life. They took me and Maisie under their wings, and instead of just offering us this surface level kind of career vibe, they really care about us, and they got involved in personal matters that we were going through and helped us out and gave us advice as women that we can look up to. And I feel like that's what it means to be an Owen sister, is to have loyalty for the sisterhood and to take care of each other when you can't take care of yourself, and they're amazing at that.
And why should people watch this on the big screen?
Oh man, because who doesn't want to see these girls blown up to the biggest degree? They're gorgeous. And also, what a fun event to sit in a theater for. My favorite thing about going to the movie theater, especially for a film like Practical Magic, is feeding off of the energy of the audience. I love being in a theater where everyone's laughing and oohing and awing, and you can hear people sniffing and crying. Like, that's why I think Practical Magic will be such a beautiful theater experience, because also I'm planning on dressing up when I go and see it with my sisters. There's so much to get out of that going to the theater experience.